What's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to sound like rexv2 in his song Heads Turn. Now I know this song came out a while ago. I recorded this like right as soon as it dropped, and then he dropped more music, and I think he's dropping an album soon, or maybe he already dropped it. But before I get into this preset, I just want to say thank you guys. We hit 3K subs a while ago. We're about to hit 20K members in the Discord, and I just want to thank you guys, because like I would not be able to keep making these videos if it wasn't for you guys watching these videos and buying my presets. So like, you guys are actively changing my life, so I just want to say thank you. You guys know I'm gonna always hook you up with some free presets. So I just wanted to let you guys know I graduate college tomorrow when I'm recording this video. So like, I'll already be graduated by the time this video comes out, so you guys are gonna be seeing me a lot more. I got FL tutorials, song wars, some more music, and of course I'm gonna be making some more preset videos as always. So yeah, I'm gonna be more active than ever, so now's the time to tap in with me. One last little disclaimer before we get into this video. I just want to let you guys know this preset is free. I feel like I get comments on every single preset video like, where's the preset? I thought you said it was free. All these other comments, and just stay patient. This preset is free. I'll answer all your questions in a little bit, but without further ado, this is rexv2 Heads Turn.
Heads turn, pop up hurt my head hurt. I'm trying to see if your legs work. She trying to see what this bread time out. She trying to see what this bread worth. I don't even know what you saying, what you talking about, bitch. Trying to find my neck. I'm a fucking prodigy, they sleeping, that's okay. My mama the best out of me, and I'm trying to find a way. I hate the thought of waking up, I'm trying to find escape. I hate the thought of going to sleep and waking up next day.
So that was his song, and as always, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals with no presets, just so you know, like, if you have terrible vocals, you can still sound good with the preset. It's all about how you use the preset.
Heads turn, pop up hurt my head hurt. I'm trying to see if y'all legs work. She trying to see what it bread top out. She trying to see what it bread work.
Yeah, that's enough. So yeah, that's what my raw vocals sound like. But when we turn on all the presets, this is what it sounds like.
Heads turn, pop up hurt my head hurt. I'm trying to see if y'all legs work. She trying to see what it bread top out. She trying to see what it bread work. I don't even know what you say, what you talking about, bitch. Trying to find my neck. I'm a fucking prodigy, they sleeping, that's okay. My mama dumping start on me, and I'm trying to find a way. I hate the thought of waking up, I'm trying to find escape. I hate the thought of going to sleep and waking up next day.
So yeah, that's what the preset sounds like. Now, like I said before, this preset is completely free. This main, this lib, this low voice bus, all of these will be completely free in the Discord. But if you want this entire FLP with my raw vocals, my best waves master, it'll also come with my best stock master for those of you that don't have waves plugins, and both of those masters are $10 on my website. But this FLP is only $15, and it comes with both, so you're saving money. So if you want this FLP, it also has this verse I recorded on the rexv2 beat. I'll also be dropping this cover on SoundCloud if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, that's enough with the promo. If you guys want this FLP, check it out, benevolent.shop, second link in the description. But if you guys just want the free vocal presets, go to the Discord, go to the text channel Benevolent Presets, and it'll be right here. Now that all that's out of the way, I'm going to show you how to actually use these presets. So essentially all you do is you just click on where it says none right here, and you click whatever input you have yours on. So I have a Focusrite, and I have it plugged in the second one, so I'll click into. Once your vocals show up, you would click right here, and you would click space, and it would start recording. Also, if you guys want to know my audio settings, this is what I have all my audio settings on. I have a Focusrite, so it's a little different for those of you that don't have an interface. And the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is the auto-tune settings, just in case you have a different auto-tune. So why is that showing up, bro? Get off of my screen, bro. I think it just actually crashed. Okay, my whole computer just crashed because of this auto-tune for some reason, but I'm back. I don't know why NVIDIA was trying to save clips of my auto-tune, but we're back. So these are the auto-tune settings for my main. 0 retune, 100 humanize, and then for the ad-lib I did 0 0, and then for the low voice I did 0 0, and then I just did -12 transpose. But yeah, everything else on these presets is completely stock. So I think that's all I got for this video. If this video helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment what rapper I should do next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.
Put my phone on D&D. Don't say he ain't believe in me. Shut the fuck up, now y'all got all my songs on repeat.